My name is BC Hoffman with Chef BC from DC Catering, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mojito cocktail at home. Yes, you too can make the classic mojito at your own home. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 ounces of rum, 1 ounce of lime juice. Fresh lime juice is so much better than any other lime juice, so I would highly suggest that. 3 teaspoons of sugar, drop that in. 1 drop to 2 drops of Angostura bitters, and then we're going to take our mint. Now the mint we can take and literally just break apart with our hand. You don't need to muddle it, because if you over macerate your leaves, then it's going to cause bitterness. You don't want to cause bitterness, you just want to release the oils from the mint leaves. We'll shake everything up in the tin. We'll put it in our glass with ice, and then we will top it off with club soda. Finish it off with a little nice mint sprig, a little lime leaf. Good to go.